everyone, my name is Melony and today I'm going to review the Lamellar hard saddlebag size large from Viking on my 2020 Harley Street Bob. So as you can see, the bike, it has a slimming look to it, and I was looking for bags that weren't boxy, you know, that were sleek looking and keeping my bike looking, you know, slim and kind of feminine. And I'm really happy with these. And at first I thought that when they came in the box, I thought that they were going to be a little bit small, but once we actually got them installed and I started putting stuff in it, I realized that it can hold a whole lot of stuff for the everyday rider. So I got the locking hard saddlebags. So I'm going to show you here. I'm going to open them up and show you one that's empty. So you just pop your key in, a little pop, and opens up like a dream. Here is the locking mechanism. It's pretty hardcore. So I feel safe when I have my items, all my personal belongings inside the bag. And as you can see, pretty deep. It's about here in the middle. It's about a foot, and it's about 1.5 feet long, and it's hard. It's solid construction. I love that it opens on the outside and not on the inside where it hits the seat and it's cumbersome. So I really love that it opens on the outside like this, and it is rainproof. You see here, it's got all of this kind of looks like some rubber gaskets almost, and I've actually not covered my bike in some heavy-duty rains, and all of my stuff inside stayed nice and dry. And it comes, each bag, I'm going to show you the other one in a minute, but each bag has these little pouches, zipper pouches, cell phones, wires, what have you. And what I love about them is they just come on out and I can just take off with that. And then to close it, there you go. It's locked permanently. I feel comfortable. I don't have to remember, hey, did I lock it? I don't remember. I don't know. It locks automatically. I love that feature. So here's my other one. I'm just going to show you what I have here, just to give you an idea of how much stuff you can actually fit. So here I have my rain gear, my toolbox, first aid kit, gloves, and I actually have some chargers and obviously, yeah, Kleenex and some more first aid stuff. So, and I still have a lot more room to put stuff. Love these bags. They're great quality, hard, durable, and I've taken this bike on some pretty nasty roads, and I was always afraid that they would pop open, but no, not a single pothole caused these babies to open up. So super happy with the bags. You can see they look fabulous, and highly recommend these bags for the Harley Street Bob.